Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the beautiful view of sunrise at Westhaven Marina in Auckland, which is very close or nearby to Auckland CBD. So right now I'm in the car park, as you can see, and behind this car park is the Southern Highway 16 SH16, which is basically in front of me. A little bit about getting here. You can come by bus, or even you can come by car, or even you can walk from the CBD. Some info about the car park. So car park here is P120, which means 2 hours of free car parking here. So yeah, this place is really cool. It has a very big track for walking or jogging. So you can start from West Hammond Promenade or from the Fanchway Street, which is close to the CBD, or basically which is in the CBD behind the Victoria Park, and then you can run or jog all the way to Harbour Bridge. This is very beautiful point to enjoy the sunrise also, for the people who want to start a day with motivation, or who love sunrise, or who are early bird, or who wake up early. So other than the walk or running, there are many boats on display here. Basically there are boat show here, like this one in front of me. uh, it's available, or it's for sale, and the price is approximately 1 million New Zealand dollars, 995,000 New Zealand dollars, so which is basically around 600,000 US dollars. So there are many boats available for display here, and uh, definitely looking at the prices of these boats, having a boat is an expensive hobby. Not everyone can afford a boat. Anyhow, so this place is really cool, like I mentioned earlier. So, a little bit more info: no fishing is allowed, no swimming, and dog must be on leash, and you have to keep an eye on your kids if you are with the kids here. So, basically, I think there was a sign: they run a boat show here every day during the working hours. So, visitors are welcome to have a look, and uh, it is basically a very beautiful point in the heart of the city. After looking at this place, you will realize, or you will believe, why Auckland is known as city of sails, or why people call Auckland as capital of boats. So the reason behind it, because number of boats per capita in Auckland are higher than any other city in the world. So anyhow, this is one of the beautiful point here to take some selfies and enjoy the 360 view of this place. Uh, During the day, this point is really busy, and there is a bench also here if you would like to sit here and spend some time alone, or by looking at sea, or if you want to enjoy the view. Last night was a bit cloudy, so let's see. From the look and feel, it looks like today is going to be a sunny day, and I can tell you from the colors of the sunrise, yeah, it is going to be a nice and warm, or a sunny day today. So continuing on the same track, there is a cafe at the end here, and some other boats on display with the prices. Some of them have label of around 200,000 New Zealand dollars, which sounds like more affordable, but I don't know. uh, I think having a boat is not for everyone. It requires some kind of special skills, or some kind of courage also, to spend some time alone in the sea. In summer, this place is really amazing. Even in winter also, there is no doubt, this place is really amazing and beautiful. And especially if you come here early morning, you will feel a different kind of motivation. Anyhow, here is another boat which looks like more affordable. It's around 200,000 New Zealand dollars, only 199,000 New Zealand dollars. So in terms of US dollars, it's around 120,000 US dollars. Yeah, so again, small boats and boats with low price tag, and around the corner is basically a cafe where you can enjoy some coffee or some nice food. If you are in a mood to eat something, it's in right in front of me, and even now at around 6:30 or 6:40 a.m. the cafe is open. So right after the cafe, this is the harbor bridge. So for those who don't know, this bridge is very important for Auckland because it connects North Auckland with Central Auckland or South Auckland or other parts of the Auckland, and it was built back in 1960. So yeah, so on this side also a very long track for walk beside the sea, a lot of car park, and yeah, so you can see the sun is rising, the beautiful clouds and colors of the sunrise. And so here is the full view of the harbor bridge. So during severe weather conditions or windy days, they basically reduce the speed on this bridge, and they reduce the lanes also. Basically they close some lanes also, and in the morning they open I think more than 5 or around 6 lanes for traffic coming to city, and in the afternoon they do the same, but from city to the north side. So basically the idea is in the morning everyone is heading towards city for work or for other things, and in the afternoon everyone is leaving city from work, or they are going back to the north from the cities. So this is how they manage the traffic. I think the bridge has 8 lanes in total, if I'm not wrong. Sorry if I'm wrong. Yeah, I think it has 8 lanes. And yeah, so there is a big track on both sides of the bridge, and there is some history, or as you can see here, some info about the bridge. You can pause it and read it. Sorry, maybe I'm not in a mood today. So yeah, so here there are a lot of benches also on this side of the bridge, and this side is basically best to enjoy the sunsets. So, and fishing is allowed here. As you can see, this is a kind of table with some water supply. You can wash, or you can clean the fish. Here is the water fountain. It's basically drinking water, and again a lot of parking here. So a lot of benches here in right in front of the water if you want to spend some time alone, or if you want to think about life. Today is low tide, as you can see. That's why there is a lot of you can say empty space, or we can see the beach here. But during high tide days, definitely you will not be able to see this kind of stuff. And this place is also it also gets busy during the day, especially weekend. A lot of people are fishing here. I have seen them on many occasions, or many. So I can see many small beaches also from here, which are basically in other areas, like those hut types in front of me. Many streets in Auckland basically end up at some beaches. I think these small beaches are somewhere in Point Chevalier. So anyhow, this is very beautiful and cool place to walk, to run, or to spend some time close to nature. I'm heading back now, so I will show you the same 360 view which I show you
ये तो
earlier.
सेम पॉइंट जहाँ से मैं
Now
पहले
it's
गुजरा था।
around
अभी 7:06
7
हुए
a.m.
हैं और सूरज
and
मुकम्मल तौर पर निकला
you
है।
can see the
और
sunrise. It's
क्या
bright
कहते
and
हैं, अब इसकी
shining.
मैं आपको एक
It's another beautiful day,
यहाँ से जो है वो
and
सनराइज़ की आप
I
कह लो
think
कि
the camera
व्यू की
cannot
लुक देता
capture
हूँ।
these kind of images. The human eye is best thing to experience, or observe such beautiful place or such beautiful scenery. So you can see the high-rise buildings or sky tower from here. It looks a bit far, but if you love walking, it's not far, trust me.
So I have completed one complete loop or one circle of Westhaven Marina, and now I'm at the starting point again. So let me show you the point which I missed at the beginning. And
It's around 8 a.m. now, and as you can see, it's bright and sunny day, just as usual. Crystal clear water. It's a little bit windy, but that's okay. Still, it's very nice. And yeah, so that's the starting point for the walk, as you can see. So this bridge is basically called West Haven Promenade, and it goes all the way from here uh, to the car park, and from the car park it goes all the way up to Harbor Bridge. That's all about today. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share for more videos from New Zealand.